Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix US mobile visual voicemail not working, iPhone and Android fix. Fix US mobile visual voicemail by disabling Wi-Fi, enabling cellular data, and resetting network settings or by requesting feature flag reprovisioning from support. If issue persists, identifying the specific network tier or phone model is necessary for further troubleshooting. First, fixes for iPhone. Fix 1, reset network settings. Navigate to settings, then go to general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone. From there, select reset, then go to reset network settings, enter your passcode and confirm. Fix 2, check live voicemail conflict. If you are running modern iOS version, the Apple Live voicemail feature can sometimes override network-based visual voicemail. So go to settings, then go to phone, then go to live voicemail and toggle it off to see if your regular carrier visual voicemail populates. Fixes for Android. Fix 1, clear phone app cache. Stale or corrupted carrier data stored in your stock dialer app often breaks the syncing pipeline. Long press the phone app icon and select app info. Tap storage and cache, then tap on clear cache, then select clear storage. This will not delete your actual voicemails. Reopen the phone app, navigate to the voicemail tab and tap on retry. Fix to initialize the standard mailbox. Your visual voicemail profile cannot activate if the basic underlying voicemail mailbox has not been provisioned. Open your dialer, press and hold the 1 key or dial *86 and follow the prompt to finish setting up your greeting and password. Fix 3, carrier specific fixes. Warp Verizon. If visual voicemail won't sync, log into your account dashboard on the US mobile official site. Navigate to My Lines, then go to Connectivity Tools, then go to Voicemail and choose Reset Mailbox Password to resync the line. Lightspeed T-Mobile. Ensure your SIM card was issued after June 2021, as older physical SIM cards do not support the modern visual voicemail standards on this network tier. Darkstar AT&T. If the native dialer tab refuses to work on Android, users frequently bypass the restriction by utilizing the standalone AT&T Visual Voicemail application or third-party mapping utilities like Umail. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.